Understanding, is there a warranty? A guide to product guarantees. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common question you might encounter while shopping, especially for electronics or appliances. Is there a warranty? This phrase is crucial in understanding the assurance you get after purchasing a product. Let's break down what this means and why it's important for both buyers and sellers. A warranty is a guarantee provided by the seller or manufacturer, promising to repair or replace the product within a certain period of time if it fails to meet the expected conditions. It's a sign of trust and reliability in the product's quality. When someone asks, "Is there a warranty?" they're essentially inquiring about the safety net that comes with their purchase. There are generally two main types of warranties: express warranties and implied warranties. Express warranties are clearly stated promises about the product, often found in the product's documentation or advertising. They can be very specific about what's covered and for how long. Implied warranties are unwritten guarantees that ensure the product will work as expected for a reasonable amount of time. Understanding these types can help consumers make informed decisions and set the right expectations. Asking about a warranty is more than just a question. It's a smart shopping practice. It shows you're thinking about the long-term value and functionality of the product. Moreover, it can affect your decision to buy, knowing that there's support in case something goes wrong. For sellers, offering a warranty can be a powerful tool to build trust and encourage purchases. When you know a product comes with a warranty, it's important to understand how to use it effectively. Here are a few tips. 1. Keep all receipts and documentation. This is often required to claim a warranty. 2. Understand the terms. Know what's covered and for how long, so there are no surprises. 3. Act within the warranty period. If you encounter issues, don't delay in reaching out for support. We hope this video has shed some light on the question, is there a warranty, and why it's an important consideration for both consumers and sellers. Remember, a warranty is not just about fixing or replacing a product. It's about the confidence in your purchase and the assurance of support. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful insights in our next video.